Welcome back to another video. In this adventure we have access to private land near the Rangitata River, where our goal is to explore and have some fun. This video is full of tough bush tracks, steep and hilly terrain, many fails, and an enormous amount of mud, where all of us get stuck at one point. Today's riders are my dad, Michael and I, while Mike is driving a side-by-side. This video is proudly supported by Powersports NZ. Links to their off-road gear and parts shop is in the description below. Enjoy the footage. over here. Nice one.
Go backwards. Pull the front round.
Yeah, it's nice.
Pull the front round.
Cold socks now. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. It's firm over there, so you can probably just...
No, just lift the front back up. Towards me. 1, 2, 3.
Pull your weight. Yeah. You're just in the side by side throwing clear track for us.
Yeah, maybe. I'll go through here. Let me go through before you guys fuck it all up.
Yeah. What do you do? Do you just go too fast?
You put your foot down, there's nothing there.
Yeah. Oh, I better go and help him again. You want some help? Yeah, your judgment's terrible. That was lucky. Oh, that was so lucky. Imagine if it went down.
Get up here and back into where Grant doesn't turn around. So.
Oh yeah, you'll be fine here.
Pull down the trees down there. It's got to be the rest of it.
Oh yeah. Yeah, so there must be a way of getting to it.
But I climbed across there, and that bit of the gully there is fucking deep. It's like that's why I come back and tell the big guys.
I might.
That nose cuts right in, no, to the hillside. So,
It's going to get on the riverbed, I think.
yeah, exactly. Beside the riverbed is probably the only way you're going to get down there.
Keep going round.
Not too bad. Side by side's not getting through.
Nah, I'll go and have a look and I'll come back.
I mean, honestly, it might actually, I might just walk down there and see. Might not actually be that bad, the swamp. Like, if there's no water in it, then.
Right up there now. Yeah, see if he gets through along that side there.
Yeah, the stuff out in the middle looks a lot better than the stuff here.
There's probably a few new motorbikes in there. There's a helicopter driver, boys. You stuck in there.
Yeah, I'll pass. Deeper than I thought.
Yeah, we only want to be here for another hour.
Yeah.
Okay. If something happens. Work on that on another day.
Oh, what do you think?
It's fucking hard work.
Oh, is it?
Yep.
Yeah.
It's fucking greasy and it's fucking up and down.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh!
See the worst lines.
Go around the hole, but then I'll grab you. Put my foot down, there's nothing there.
Little angle.
Yeah.
Ah!
Get back in.
Oh, then the wheel's gonna go down. Should we watch or should we help him?
Oh, I'm just going.
Welcome to Chaos. We a side by side just got stuck at this crossing, this mud crossing. I didn't have the camera on, unfortunately, so I wasn't recording it, but it's basically went in and this bank it was too steep for it and couldn't pull itself out. So hopefully this tree's strong enough to winch. But yeah, if this tree doesn't hold, then we don't have many options, I guess, because it's just flat. Maybe try this one.
There you go.
Ah. That ruined my day.
You almost got there?
Yeah, but I'm soaked.
Oh.
Completely soaked. Oh. Yeah, you should have gone where I went, it's better. We have now gone onto the riverbed where we are trying to get to the hut from the other side. However, the main channel of the river cuts into the bank further up, so we are unable to cross it and get to the hut today. So that's all for this video. Thank you to Powersports NZ for sponsoring this channel. Check them out with the description below. This is my last ride on this 250, which I've had and ridden almost every weekend for the past 2 years. This bike is now sold and we've bought a 2016 KTM 350 exc-f 6 days. My next video will be talking about that bike and why we chose to buy it, and all the advantages and even some disadvantages compared to the 250. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe if you enjoyed. See you in the next one.
They're going to stop, so I don't even know if they'll come down there. There's a couple of holes in there.
Yeah. Oh shit! I lost my slippery.
You've lost the cover.
I know, I tried to grab on the cover, see if the handle. Oh.
You might have washed the bike before we go home.
Yeah, I tried to do that.